Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through managing your ArbiApe $1 per day subscription payment. As a subscriber, you have the flexibility to pay daily or use our auto-renewal feature for up to 30 days. Additionally, we'll cover how to withdraw your balance from your private subscription wallet if you decide to cancel your subscription. Let's begin. First, you will need to open the Telegram app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the ArbiApe bot chat, as seen in the screenshot, to launch the ArbiApe mini app. Once the app has loaded, click on the More tab in the menu bar, as seen in the screenshot. Now, click on the Manage Subscription button. Now, select the subscription package. The button will turn green to confirm your selection. Then, click on the Pay Subscription button to continue. A pop-up message will appear with instructions for completing your subscription payment. Our auto-renewal feature offers subscribers the convenience of depositing up to $30 to cover up to 30 days of payments, providing a hassle-free experience. After reviewing the message, click OK to continue. Once the invoice appears, you'll see the deposit address for your private subscription wallet, automatically created by our smart contract. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code. Please ensure to send only USDT on the Solana network to this wallet address. Now, exit the ArbiApe app and return to the Telegram chat thread. Click on the ArbiApe thread to open the chat and view your recent notifications. As a new subscriber, you'll receive 2 messages, as shown in the screenshot. Once you receive the confirmation message indicating that your payment has been processed, you can open the ArbiApe mini app and access all premium features. Current subscribers will receive a subscription renewal notice, as shown in the screenshot. After receiving the confirmation message that your subscription has been successfully renewed, you'll have access to all premium features in the ArbiApe mini app. After activating your ArbiApe subscription, you can add funds to your subscription wallet at any time to continue or start auto-renewal payments. Note that an active subscription is required to use this feature. To deposit funds, on the Home tab, click the button that's highlighted in the screenshot, which will copy your private subscription wallet address to your clipboard. Then, send the desired amount from your wallet to this address. Your new balance will appear on your dashboard once the blockchain processes the transaction, usually within a few minutes. You might need to close and reopen the ArbiApe app to see the updated balance. If you decide to cancel your subscription at any time during your subscription period, and you have a remaining balance in your subscription wallet, you can withdraw it by clicking the More tab, and then selecting the Withdraw Balance button. A pop-up will appear to confirm your withdrawal request, displaying the wallet address where the funds will be sent. This will be the same wallet you sent the funds from when you made your subscription payments. Please note that this action is irreversible. Congratulations and welcome. We wish you much success as you embark on your journey with ArbiApe. Thank you for watching.